Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add effects in Alight Motion application. Adding effects in Alight Motion is a straightforward process. So here's how you can do it. Open up your Alight Motion application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account, and once you're in, tap on the Projects button at the bottom right corner and open up a project you would like to add effects on. Now, select your project timeline or your video on the screen, and you will come across several menus on the display. Tap on the Effects button at the bottom right-hand corner and tap on Add Effect. You will be able to see a vast library of effects on the screen. Browse through the categories on the screen and then find the specific effect you are looking for. You can also use the search icon at the top right and type in the name of the effect you are trying to add. After you make a search, select one of the effects you would like to add and then choose the effect and play it for your preview. As you can see that the effect has now been applied to the video. So that is how you will be able to add effects in Alight Motion application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.